My name is Jessi Kelly and I'm a regional sales manager for Stylecraft Builders in Central Texas. When we started with Lasso, we really needed a way to generate, track, and convert leads. But to say that that's all that Lasso brings to the table would be massively oversimplifying its functionality. What's really cool about Lasso is how customizable it is. It can really work for whatever you need or whatever is important to your team. And something that's really important to us is delivering that first-class customer service that you rarely find anymore. When I started with Stylecraft, I sold homes and I had this ridiculous convoluted spreadsheet where it was color-coded and I had to read through all the notes. It was madness. So what Lasso does for you is it puts all that together for you in an organized way, and it tells you who you need to follow up with instead of rifling through Post-it notes. So every day when my team walks into the model, they log into Lasso and this is their dashboard, and they know kind of what their day is going to look like. Lasso tells them who they need to follow up with, and they can get in there and be really intentional with following up with those people and giving them the information that they need. So they can be clear of that and be ready for the new folks that are walking in. It just makes huge strides towards effectively running your day and managing your focus. Talking about first-class customer service, something really cool that Lasso provided to us was Dave Betcher himself, the Vice President of Sales, came down and did an on-site training for our entire sales team. So what that did was it was really cool for our new people to really get a good idea of what Lasso could do for them, but also for our veterans. It was really interesting for them to really dive in and see some of the other functionality that they could use. We also recently hired a marketing manager position. For her, it's really important to be able to reach a ton of realtors and a ton of buyers at once, but then she can dive in and see who opened that message, who didn't open that message, and how can we reach them? What do they open it on? So do we need to make our message more conducive to opening on a mobile device because everybody's shopping online? And that can gear us towards providing those buyers with the information they need. It's all about getting them into the home that they really want. So that just gives us better information to do that. When I used to sell for Stylecraft, I used Lasso in that capacity. And now that I'm on the management side, I use it completely different. The reporting piece it's hugely helpful to me because I can see what our traffic patterns are, what realtors are bringing buyers to us, what homes they're interested in, and all of that information together gears the way that we do our marketing, and it also gears how we change our homes and we listen to our buyers and update things that they like to see. We've been using Lasso CRM since 2013 and we've experienced massive growth since then. When I came on board, we were building about 300 homes a year, and now we're building about 600. So Lasso has really helped us to stay organized through that. Before we came on board with Lasso in 2013, we were really just, again, rifling through notes and trying to figure it out on our own. And Lasso took all of that information and gave us a way to track it, make better decisions on how to convert those leads to buyers, and we're at 30% conversion rate now, so that's pretty incredible. What Lasso helps us do is more effectively run our day and manage our focus.